Hello class 10 students, welcome all of you in this online class. So today I am going to solve exercise 3.4 which is based on the elimination method. Okay, in this exercise we are going to solve pair of linear equation in two variable by the method of elimination. Okay, so how can you find? This is sometimes more convenient. That is what elimination method is more convenient as compared to the substitution method. So see how it is. So exercise 3.4, I am taking question number 1 here. Okay, so here in one number you have given x plus y is equal to 5. This is your equation number 1, and second equation you have, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. This is equation number 2. So first what you have to decide here, you have to choose what you are going to eliminate, whether x or y. And if you are going to eliminate x, then what you have to do, you have to uh, equal them both, x in the first equation and x in a second equation. So if you decide to eliminate the y, then you have to equate the coefficient of the y in both of the equation. Okay, so how it is, you are going to solve? Done. Let's see. First I decide here to eliminate y. Okay, so here the coefficient of y is what? 1. So that means you have to multiply equation 2 by 1. Okay, and here the coefficient of y in equation 2 is what? 3. Then you have to multiply with the 3. Now let's multiply 3 into x, 3x, and plus 3 into y, 3y, and 5 3 ja 15. Okay, and now here 1 2 ja 2x, and minus 3 1 ja 3y, and 1 4 ja 4. So let's add this both. So how can you write in wordings? So first, before eliminating, we have to choose whether you are going to solve which variables, y or x. If you are going to eliminate y, then you have to equate the coefficient of y in the both the equations. Okay, so here you have given, that is a plus 3 and minus 3. So when you add this, okay, so plus and minus cancel out. Okay, that is a less 0. And see here 3 plus 2 what? 5x. And from here what? 15 out of 4, what you get? You get 11, sorry 16, oh sorry 19. Add here, you have to do you have to do addition. Okay, so here 15 plus 4 19. So now here x is equal to what? 19 by 5. So this is the value of x. Next, what you have to do here, putting this value of x, putting this value in equation 1. So equation 1 you have, that is x plus y is equal to 5. So in this case, what is the value of x here? That is 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Okay, so now here you have to find the y, then 5 is in positive sign, and transpose this with a 19 by minus 19 by 5. So now here is nothing but 1. So take the LCM 1 or 5, 5 have the 25 minus 19. So y is equal to what? 15 out of 9, what? 6 by 5. So at last you have to write like this. Hence x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5. Okay, so this is your required answer. So this is how you can solve the pair of linear equations in two variables by using an elimination method. It is sometimes very simple है ना, as compared to the substitution method. Okay, so next I am taking question number 3. Here I am taking question number 3. In this question you have given that is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0, and second equation you have that is 9x equal to 2y plus 7. So now you have to form the in equation. So 3x minus 5y and transpose this 4 to RHS, that is 4. This is your equation number 1. And here 9x and transpose 2y from RHS to LHS 7. This is your equation number 2. Again you have to decide whatever you have to going to eliminate here, whether y or x. When you choose to eliminate y, then you have to equate the coefficient by multiplying 5 2 ja 10 and 10 5 ja 2 5 ja 10. So you have to choose the coefficient here, okay, and then multiply the first equation coefficient with the second equation, and the second equation coefficient of y with the first equation, so multiply, okay. So here in this question I am going to eliminate x, okay. और पहले वाले क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों ने y को एलिमिनेट किया था, अब इसको मैं x करके दिखाता हूँ. What is the value of coefficient of x here? 3. That means you have to multiply with a 3 here, question number 2. And what is the coefficient of x here? It is 9. That means you have to multiply with a 9. Okay, so there are the some exceptional case, I will tell to you later. 9 3 ja 27x, 9 5 ja 45y, 9 4 ja 36, 3 9 ja 27x minus 3 2 ja 6y, and 3 7 ja 21. Now here you have what you have to do. Here you have to subtract the equation 1, equation 2 from equation 1. So the sign of the equation 2 will be change हो जाएगा, plus minus minus plus and plus minus. So this to this cancel, okay. So here 15 out of 6 what 9, and here you have that is a minus 39y, and here you have that is a 6 out of 1 5, and 3 out of 2 1, okay. So now y is equal to 15 by minus 39, 5 3 ja 13 3 ja, so y is equal to minus 5 by 13. So now what you have to do here, you have to put this value in equation number 1. Equation number 1, putting y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in equation 1. So equation you have that is 3x minus 5y 4 minus 5 by 13, the value of y is equal to 4, minus plus minus into minus plus 25 by 13 4, 3x equal to 4 minus 25 by 13, 3x equal to 13 13 4 is 52 minus 25, 15 out of 5 12 out of 5 7, and here 4 out of 2 2 13, x equal to 27 by 13 into 3 3 9 ja. So x you have what 9 by 13. So these are the values of x and y, है ना. तो इस तरह से आपका क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो आपका है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, x/2 plus 2y/3 is equal to -1 and what, and x minus y3 equal to 3. So first thing you have to do here, you have to simplify this. So from this take the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, 3x here and 3 2 ja, so 2 2 ja 4y and minus 1. So this will give you 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. That is equation number 1. Solve this. The LCM of this 3 and here 3x minus y is equal to 3. So this will give you 3x minus y is equal to 9. This is equation number 2. So in this 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y is equal to 9. You can easily see here already you have given the two variables, that is same variables in equation number 1, that is x and x are the same coefficient. So here don't not need to equate the coefficient of variables which you have going to eliminate. Okay, जो आप eliminate करने जा रहे हो उसको आपको equate करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, ऑलरेडी आपको equal किया हुआ है. ठीक है, that means what, you have to only subtract them. That is प्लस प्लस है, सेपरेट करके साइन चेंज हो गया, यहाँ प्लस माइनस हो गया, माइनस प्लस हो गया, यहाँ पे माइनस, this to this cancel and here you have that is 5y is equal to minus 9 6 15. So this will give you 3. So y equal to minus 3. Now put the value of y in equation number 1 and get the answer of the value of x. So this is how you can solve the pair of linear equation in two variables by using elimination method. It is very simple. Okay, so whenever in your question there is not mentioned that the solve pair of linear equation by the given method, okay, whether by the elimination method or सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड और क्रॉस सेक्शनल मेथड, अगर आपको गिवन ना हो तो आप एलिमिनेशन मेथड से ही बनाना ज़्यादा बेटर होगा मेरे ख्याल से. ठीक है, ओके क्लास, देन थैंक यू.